Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your Microsoft Surface laptop. So the regular way to do this is navigate into the start menu, selecting power options and then selecting restart or update and restart if you have an update pending. Or you can also simply force restart your laptop by holding down the power button until the screen goes off. Okay, and after that, to restart your laptop, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and short press the power button again. Once the logo appears on the screen, that means that your laptop is relaunching. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.